Children, this is 7th standard maths, chapter name is integers, exercise 1.4. In that fourth question, write 5 pairs of A, B such that A divided by B equal minus 3. One such pair is given 6 and 2 minus 2 because 6 divided by minus 2 equal minus 3. So here 6 divided by minus 2. It means 6 by minus 2 equal minus 3. So after division, quotient is 3. Minus 3. 6 by minus 2, answer is minus 3. It means it is in the form of A divided by B equal minus 3. So any numbers, any pair of any numbers, numerator and denominator, after subtraction we have to get minus 3. So check the pair of number fraction now. First one example is 6 by 2. 6 by 2 minus 2. So next we have to find 4 more pair. Okay, 4 more pair we have to find. So here's 2 means 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3 is a 6. Okay, so answer is 3. We are getting answer as 3. 2, 3 is a 6. So here we can try 3. 2, 3 is a 6. 3, 3 is a 9. Multiply with the new denominator, multiply with the 3 number. 3, 3 is a 9. 4, 3 is a 12. 5, 3 is a 15. 6, 3 is a 18. Okay. 3, 3 is a 9. 4, 3 is a 12. 5, 3 is a 15. 6, 3 is a 18. It means after reducing value, you get answer as minus 3. So it means 2 ones are 2, 2 3 is a 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 3 is a 9, 4 ones are 4 3 is a 12, 5 ones are 5 3 is a 15, 6 ones are 6 3 is a 18. So we have to get minus symbol. So if minus here means anywhere we can put numerator or in denominator, anywhere one minus symbol. Okay, so here minus, 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 minus. So what is the pair of numbers? Pair of number is minus 9 by 3. Answer is minus 3. Then 12 by 4. 12 by 4 means minus 3. 4 ones are 4 3s are. Then 15 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 3s are 15. Near or anywhere minus. So minus 3. Then 18 by 5. 18 by 5 means 5 ones are 5 3s are 18. Sorry, 6. 5. 6 ones are 6 3s are 18. So 9 by 3. 3 ones are 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 5 ones are 5 3s are 15. 6 ones are 6 3s are 18. So negative symbol. Numerator denominator negative symbol. This is the answer. Now fifth question. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius. Above 0. Above means positive, negative, plus symbol. If it decrease at the rate of 2 per hour until midnight. So the temperature is reducing 2 to 2 Celsius temperature is reducing in each hour, 1 hour per hour. So at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? So we will try this on the help of number line, children. Now the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. Above 0 means positive number. So this is a number line. Here 1 unit equal 2 centimeter we took. 1 unit equal 2 centimeter. This is a Celsius. This is in Celsius. This is a time. Above number is time. Here temperature. Okay. Here Celsius degree temperature. And here time is mentioned. Time means now here the temperature at 12 noon, so 10 is 10 degrees Celsius. So 10 degree Celsius. The temperature at 12 noon, this is 12 noon. The temperature at 12 noon, 10 degree Celsius. Here I am written even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 because in 1 hour the 2 degrees Celsius temperature is reducing. Per hour the 2 degree per hour, the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour is decreasing. So, written according to the question 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 hour, 12 noon, time 12 noon, 10 degree Celsius. Okay, after that, if it decrease at the rate of 2 degree Celsius per hour, so according to that we return the numbers until midnight. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius? Where is 8 degrees Celsius? Positive or negative? Would be temperature below 0. Below means negative, minus. Okay, below 0 means we have to check minus 8 degree. Below means negative, minus 8 degree. So 12 noon, per hour 2 degrees Celsius is reducing. Temperature is reducing per hour 2. So here 8 to 2, according to that only we written the numbers Celsius. So 12, then here 1, 2, we have to reach here minus 8. At what time? So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So this is 9 p.m. 12 noon, then 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3, 4 p.m., this is time, above is time, 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7, 8, 9 p.m. So minus negative, no, below 8 means, so what is the answer? First question answer, the time would be the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0 is on which time? At what time? At what time? 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. So at 9 p.m, it means at 9 p.m temperature will be 8 degree Celsius below 0. Below 0 means this is minus 8 degree Celsius. So the first question answer is over. Now we have to check the second question. What is the second question? 0. What would be the temperature at midnight? So midnight, from here to here 12 noon, then we have to check with the midnight. So here 1, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11, 12. So what would be the temperature? Minus 14. It's very easy to find with that. 9, 10. This is second question answer. So 10 o'clock, 10 p.m, 11, 12, midnight. Okay, 11, 12, midnight. So what is the temperature? Children, let in a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer, minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer, means wrong answer, and no marks for not attempting any question. So correct answer plus 3 for one question, plus 3. Now if any wrong answer means minus marks, 2 marks is cut. First, Radhika scored 20 marks. Okay, if she has got 12 incorrect answer, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? That we have to find. And second question, Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test. Though she has got 7 correct answer, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So if any correct answer means into 3. If wrong answer means, any wrong answer means minus 2. If wrong answer means minus 2. Minus 2 is reduced. Okay. If correct answer, multiply with the 3. Wrong means minus 2. So let x be the number of incorrect question attended by Radhika. Let x be the number of question attended by Radhika. So here 12 questions she attended correctly. 12 question correct answers. So 12 into 3, 12 correct answers. She attended 12 correct answers, means 12 into 3 is 36. Then we don't know what is the wrong answer. So x into minus 2. 12 questions she attended correctly. For each question, one question 3 marks, means totally 36. She has to get 36 marks, but actually she got minus 20 marks. She got 20 marks. Actually she has to get 36 because 12 question answer she attended. And wrong answer we don't know. Let x be the number of question incorrect, and 2 marks for minus 2 for each question. So 36 minus 20, she has to get 36, means 16 marks is missing. Now how to write the equations? 3 marks for correct answer. One correct answer 3 marks. So 12 correct answer 3 marks plus Negative marks for x into minus 2. This is for negative marks for a wrong answer. Till here correct answer marks, till here wrong answer marks. And correct answer, wrong answer, together she got 20 marks. This is the equation. Okay. 12 3 is a 36. Plus into minus is minus. X into 2 is 2x equal 20. Now we have to find the value of x. Minus 2x equal 20 plus 36 will become minus 36. So minus 2x equal minus 20 minus 36 means 16. 16. Now x equal minus 16 by minus 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are 16. Minus into minus is plus or minus minus is cancel. X equal 8. Therefore, Radhika attempted 8 incorrect question. Therefore, Radhika attempted 8 incorrect question. Therefore, Radhika attempted 8 incorrect questions. Now in the second question, Mohini scores minus 5 marks in the test. Though she has got 7 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So here let x be the number of incorrect questions attempted by Mohini. X is the incorrect and marks scored by Mohini is minus 5. So here 7 correct answers. 7 correct answers she attended. 7 correct answers. So 7 into 3 is 21. She has to get 21 marks. But she got minus 5. Minus 5 means some question is wrong. Some questions are wrong. So incorrect, wrong answers or incorrect question. Let x be the incorrect questions into minus 2, negative 2 for each question. That we have to do. Now correct answer plus wrong answer equal how much she scored? Minus 5. Correct answer plus wrong answer. So 7 into 3 plus x into minus 2. This is the equation. 7 into 3 plus x into minus 2 equal minus 5. So correct answer and wrong answer, totally she got 5 as 5 marks. So equation is 3 into 7 plus x into minus 2 equal minus 5. Now 3 into 7 is 3 sevens are 21. Plus into minus is minus. X into 2 is 2x equal minus 5. Now we have to find the value of x. So minus 2x equal minus 5 as it is, plus 21 will become minus 21. Therefore, minus 2x equal minus 5 minus 21 is minus 26. X equal minus 26 divided by minus 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. X equal 13. Understood, children? So here we don't know the wrong answer marks. Let x be the number of incorrect question attended by Mohini. Marks scored by Mohini is minus 5. So 7 question is correct answer. 7 into 3 marks for each question. 7 into 3. This is for correct answer plus, and we don't know the wrong answer. Let x be the wrong answer. X into minus 2. For each wrong answer, minus 2 is deducted. For one correct answer, 3 marks. Okay. So together she got minus 5. 3 sevens are 21. Plus into minus is minus. X 2s are 2x equal minus 5. Minus 2x equal minus 5. Plus 21 will become minus 21. So minus 2x equal minus 5 minus 21 means same symbol means we have to add minus 26. Therefore x equal minus 26 divided by minus 2. 2 ones are 2 13s are 26. Therefore x equal 13. Therefore Mohini attempted 13 incorrect questions. Now 7th question, children. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. 6 meter per minute. If descent start from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? So here 7th question, an elevator lift, okay, lift descends into means it's coming, lift is coming down. So here down a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. So 1 minute 6 meter it is down. if the descent start from 10 meter above the ground level, so here ground level 0, 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350? So here minus 350. Yeah, they have to read. So this is lift starting from 10 meter. This is ground floor and basement or something. So lift 10 meter and elevator descends. Descent means it's coming down, okay, into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent start from 10 meter above the ground level, 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 3? So here we have to find the distance from 10 meter to here, from 10 meter to till 350 we have to find the distance. So here statement is initial height is 10 meters. So initial height is 10 meters, okay, 10 meter. Final depth, so where we have to reach minus 350. So we have to reach minus 350. This is a statement minus 350 meters. So total distance to be descended. Descended means we are coming down from here, top floor to we have to coming down. Total distance. So here we are coming down means minus symbol, okay. So here coming down means every minus symbol we have to write. So here this is also minus 10 meter because from top to here descended means we are coming down, so negative minus and minus 350. So total distance to be descended minus 10 plus we have to total from here to top floor to here minus 350. What is the distance we have to find? So we have to add from here to here till here and these measurement, total measure. So minus 10, so we are coming down, so minus symbol minus 10 and minus 350. So minus 10 plus into minus is minus 350. How much? Minus 360. Total distance to be descended is minus 360 meters. Now, what is the question? How long will it take to reach? So we have to find the time. How long will it take to reach minus 350 meters? So total distance we know that there is a descended is minus 360 meter. So we know that 1 hour it take 1 minute, 1 minutes, 1 minutes. So here into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. 6 meter for 1 minute, 6 meter to reach. So to reach 6 meter it take 1 minute. To reach 6 meter it take 1 minute. So to reach 360 meters, to reach 360 meters, how much? 1 minute, 6 meters covered. 360 meters, how long time it take? So 360 by 6, 360 into 1 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 6 are 36. 60 minutes. Answer is 60 minutes. 60 minutes means convert in 60 minutes. 60 minutes. 60 minutes converted into hour means answer is 1 hour. Answer is 1 hour. So answer is 60 minutes. Time taken to descend is descend 360 minus 360 meter is 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour.